Firearms owners, I'm speaking to you today. Look, you've spent a lifetime amassing a gun collection and accessories that you want to make sure pass on to the next generation, free of interference, free of unwanted felonies and the transference across state lines. It's important for family firearms to stay in the family and pass to the next generation without interference, delay, or unnecessary paperwork or encumbrance. That's where gun trusts come in. And here at Smith Strong, we help Virginia firearms owners create gun trusts as part of an overall estate planning strategy. Look, we know you're busy, so I'll get right to the point. You can set up a quick teleconference for a half hour or less with our firm. You don't have to take off time from work. You don't have to come visit us. We can do that by Zoom or by phone, where we craft the gun trust design in a quick 15 to 30 minute call, and then we will schedule the exact signing date in your home or at our office for you to sign your gun trust. It's increasingly important as a firearms owner to make sure you have responsible planning. That begins with a gun trust. We look forward to discussing our approach to gun trust to ensure your family's firearms collections and accessories pass to the next generation, free of interference, free of control, and with the easiest path possible to ensuring your legacy is preserved to the next generation. We look forward to helping you. Thank you.